Traveling is a wonderful way to explore new places, immerse yourself in different cultures, and create unforgettable memories. However, it can also be expensive and a huge debt to your wallet. Luckily, there are various ways to save money while traveling without compromising on the quality of your experience. Whether you're planning a budget trip or looking for ways to cut down on costs during your travels, these tips will help you stretch your money further and make the most out of your journey. From finding affordable accommodations to scoring cheap flights, and even saving on transportation and food expenses, they've got you covered with our top tips to save money on traveling. So pack your bags, get ready to explore, and let's dive into the world of budget-friendly traveling. Planning your trip during the off-peak season. Did you know that you can save a ton of money just by choosing when to travel? That's right. Planning your trip during the off-peak season is like a secret hack to cut costs. So what's the off-peak season? It's those times of the year when fewer people are traveling to your destination. Because there are less tourists, things like hotels and attractions often cost less. For example, if you're dreaming of a European adventure, consider going into the fall or early spring. These seasons are less crowded, and you'll find that the prices for flights and accommodations can be significantly lower than in the summer. Plus, the weather is still pretty nice, making it a win-win situation. It's not just about Europe. This trick works for almost any place around the world. Heading to a popular beach spot? Check when the rainy season is. Often, the rain season is short-lived, and you'll still get plenty of sunshine, along with lower prices and fewer people. Remember, every destination has its own off-peak season, so a quick Google search online can help you figure out the best times to go. By traveling during these less popular times, you'll save money and experience some more relaxed trip without the hustle and bustle of peak tourist season. Before we continue with our adventure, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell not to miss future videos every week. So let's get back to the video. Using price comparison tools and alerts for buggier flights. In the digital age, finding cheap flights has become easier than ever thanks to price comparison tools and alert systems. With a simple click, these online tools do the heavy lifting for you, searching through hundreds of airlines and travel sites to find the best deals available. Here's how it works. You enter your destination and travel dates, and the tool compares prices across a wide range of airlines. But that's not all. You can also set up alerts. This means that if the prices of your desired flight drops, you'll get an immediate notification via email or through the app. This is super helpful because airfare prices can change frequently, and catching a price drop can save you a lot of money. The key is to be flexible with your travel dates if possible, and this can greatly increase your chances of finding a great deal. Websites like Kayak, Skyscanner, and Google Flights are popular choices for travelers looking to save money. By using these tools, you can take the guesswork out of booking and ensure you're getting the best possible price. Embracing alternative accommodations. Hotels are not the only place you can stay when you travel. There are so many other options that you can save your money at and give you a unique experience. Websites like Airbnb and Vrbo let you rent rooms, apartments, or even whole houses. This can be cheaper than hotels, especially if you're traveling with a group and can split the cost. Plus, you get a kitchen, so your meals, which saves even more money. Another cool option is hotels. They're super budget friendly and great for meeting other travelers. You can choose a dorm room if you don't mind sharing, or a private room if you want more space. Don't forget about camping too. It's an affordable way to connect with nature. Some places have beautiful campgrounds near tourist spots. You just need a tent or an RV, and you're set for a low-cost stay under the stars. By looking beyond hotels and considering these alternatives, you can save a bunch of money on your trip and enjoy a whole new side of traveling. Packing smart to avoid unnecessary fees. One trick on keeping more cash in your pocket while traveling is mastering the art of packing. Airlines can charge hefty fees for checked baggages, and these can quickly add up, especially if you're flying with multiple airlines or making several stops. For instance, in 2023, some airlines charged upwards of $30 for first checked bags, and the prices only go up from there if you add additional bags or if they exceed the weight limits. To dodge these fees, aim to pack everything you need into a carry-on. This might sound challenging, but with a bit of planning, it's definitely doable. Start by making a packing list to ensure you only bring what's absolutely necessary. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits, and opt for travel-sized toiletries to save space. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can also free up some extra room for essentials. If you're traveling with a companion, consider sharing packing space to distribute items more efficiently. This approach not only saves you money on baggage fees, but also makes navigating through airports faster and easier, since you won't have to wait for a bag and baggage claim. Eating like a local. One of the best parts about traveling is trying new foods, but dining out at tourist spots can quickly eat up your budget. To save money and savor authentic flavors, eat where the locals do. Local eateries, street food vendors, and markets often offer delicious meals at a fraction of the cost of restaurants geared towards tourists. In 2024, you can easily find these hidden gems by using apps or asking residents for the recommendations. Not only is this a great way to try traditional dishes, but it also gives you a peek into the daily life of the places you're visiting. For breakfast or lunch, look for places where there's a crowd, especially during workdays, as this is usually a good sign of quality and affordability. Also, consider buying ingredients from local markets and preparing your own meals if you have access to a kitchen. This can be a fun way to experiment with local flavors while keeping costs low. Remember, eating like a local is not just about saving money. It's an adventure for your taste buds and a way to connect more deeply with the culture you're exploring. Utilizing public transportation and walking. One of the smartest ways to save money while traveling is to get around like the locals do, by using public transportation and walking. This approach is not only lighter on your wallet, but also offers a more authentic experience of your destination. For instance, in cities like New York or Paris, you can purchase a day or week pass for buses and subways that will cost you much less than taking a taxi or renting a car. And guess what? In 2024, many cities around the world have apps that make using public transportation a breeze. These apps show you the best routes, times, and even the cost of your trip. Walking is another great option. It's free, and it gives you the opportunity to see things up close and at your own pace. Sometimes, the best discoveries happen when you're wandering around a new city. Plus, it's good for your health. So don't forget to pack a comfortable pair of shoes. By embracing public transportation and enjoying walks, you're not just saving money. You're diving deep into the heart of the city and experiencing like someone who lives there, seeking out free and discounted activities. Did you know that you can enjoy a lot of cool stuff for free or at a big discount while traveling? It's true. Cities and towns often have a bunch of activities that won't cost you a dime. For starters, look out for free walking tours. These are a fantastic way to learn about the place you're visiting, and you only need to tip your guide what you feel is fair. Museums are another great spot to check out. Many museums offer free admission days or pay what you wish hours, especially during off-peak season. For instance, as of 2023, the famous Smithsonian Museum in Washington, D.C. doesn't charge an entrance fee at all. Also, don't forget to explore the great outdoors. Parks, beaches, and hiking trails can provide a full day of fun without spending a cent. If you're looking for discounts, consider buying a city tourist card. These cards can save you money on attractions, public transport, and even meal. By doing a little research and asking around, you can find plenty of ways to enjoy your travel without splurging on entertainment and activities. Remember, the best experiences often come free. And there you have it, folks. If you stayed until the end, make sure to comment what you would like to see next on the channel, and we hope to see you all in the next video.